Hey guys, how's it going? Today I have a John Deere stand-on mower. It's a 661R. It came in for a dry belt replacement. So it's a pretty simple, straightforward fix. Looks like the deck belt's off of it. It's pretty dirty, so I'm going to have to blow it out before I can get it in my shop. So all this isn't falling in my face while I'm under there trying to replace the belt. If you have a hydro belt go out and you can't drive it, there's hydro releases on these mowers. My customer didn't know about it, so he had to drag it, and makes it tough trying to move it around. On the back of each pump, there's a nut with that hole in it, and the second pump has the same thing. All you have to do is back that out, and then it frees up your hydro so you can move it. Let's get this thing blown off and let's get it inside. That looks better. Alright, let's get these hydraulic releases loosened up. It's going to be a 5/8 wrench. Again, you have one on each side. Those are tight. Definitely needs power wash, but it's just pretty cold out. So I'm pretty sure my hose is all froze up. Got her pushed in the garage. Boy, was that fun. Kind of slopes up here before it gets into my garage. I definitely need to get some stone brought in and level it out back here. It's too soft and too steep. Wow, that thing was jammed in there. To get this belt off, you got to take the clutch rate out of it. I had to take that anti-scalp wheel off the inner side of this deck just to give me a little more room to slide the clutch off. It's hard to see, but there's also a bracket up there in the front. If you ever have to take that deck belt off, this whole clutch has to come out. That bracket that retains the clutch has to come out. It's a pain in the... They have this in here so tight, there is no room. Looking around online, I couldn't really find a diagram how this belt went on, but I was kind of looking around on some videos and found a similar stand-on, and the belt routing was the same. I've seen a lot of people taking this out or loosening it up. You don't have to. You just fold the belt and you slide it in through there to get up on the front of the engine for the hydro pulley. So you got it going there, and then it's going to come back. It's going to come back, and it's going to come around this. It's going to run straight across, and it's going to come around this pulley. And you have to get something, a pry bar in there, pull that forward, and then you can walk it on this back pulley. This is a pain. John Deere made it awfully tight in there. Wow, what a pain in the ass. Have this all back together, put the anti-scalp wheel back on. Like I said, that gave me a little more room to wiggle this clutch out. Clutch did come out in two pieces. When you reinstall it, clean everything up. Make sure you anti-seize or grease the engine crankshaft. It'll make it a lot easier if you got to take that apart again to do the hydro belt or the deck belt. Either way, this has to come off to do that. Also, since it was in two pieces, you have to make sure that this plate right here goes under the groove in there before you put it back up, because if you don't, it's going to be on an angle, the clutch is not going to work right, and you're going to have to take it back apart. Definitely a tight space in here. Man, John Deere, can you make it any tighter? So it's all back together, ready to start. I went to hit the key and it just clicks. So I'm going to have to charge the battery up. Check this out. Have you ever seen that much corrosion on a battery? Wow. So I'm going to take this apart, clean it, see if I can get a charge in it and get it started up. Definitely gonna have to let it run for a little bit. The battery was dead. But yeah, it's all ready to go. Well, I let it run for a little while, shut it off, and just nothing. So hopefully I can recondition it with this battery charger. If not, I'm going to have to get another battery. So I just want to kind of show you guys this diagram. I don't know how well you can see it. The engine pulley at the top, then how you snake it through the tensioner there in the center, and then how they wrap around the hydraulic pumps on the bottom. Like I said before, you don't have to loosen that tensioner to sneak it above. No, you just pinch it, you slide it through, then you put it on the engine pulley, and you got to fight the tensioner to get it back out, to get it around the two hydraulic pumps. But that's how it goes. So I want to thank you guys for watching the quick how-to video on the John Deere stand-on 661R. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do, and hit that like button. It helps out. Again, it was just a quick how-to video. I didn't see much out there on this mower. I figured maybe this could help somebody else. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.